Hi, I'm Nisha Siripurapu and I welcome you all back to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen. BITTERGOURD. There is so much of bitterness in the name itself, so we can very well imagine the taste of this vegetable. But whatever said and done, this is highly recommended for all diabetics because of its hypoglycemic nature and because of its anti-diabetic properties. It is said that within 1 hour of consuming this vegetable, the sugar levels comes to normal. But again, the biggest challenge for all of us is to consume this vegetable on a daily basis. So I am coming up with my recipe of using this bitter gourd along with dal. Well, this is a South Indian dal and I grew up eating this almost every day and it is one of my very favorites. So I hope you also relish it equally, and so without wasting much time, please check out the video. Thank you so much. So here comes yummy tasty bitter gourd dal. Now this you can have with brown rice or parathas or chapatis, whichever you like. And coming to the health quotient, well, you know that I come up only with the healthy recipes. So while I dig into this, you can subscribe to Nisha's Diabetic Kitchen by clicking on my picture above. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again next week with a new recipe. Stay blessed.